Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura C6 espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because basically it was leaking from one of the sides, and what was happening it was that this ceramic valve was leaking to here. As you can see, some rust going to the on one of the screws. One of the valves basically broke, the one that you see right here, and that's what's basically causing the leak. And it was a huge leak that went all the way to here. You can see some rust on one of the screws. So we're now replacing this ceramic valve, and now the machine is working perfectly fine. So after the machine stops rinsing the main system, I'm just gonna do a couple of coffee, and we'll just test it out. And it was basically leaking when we were doing coffee, so I'm just gonna do that. We don't have the mirror system on the machine, unfortunately. And as you can see, there's no any leaks or anything like that coming from the machine. Just good water flow. Alright, we're gonna redo it again. So some water coming out through here. Probably when I disconnected the older ceramic valve. So we just want to make sure there's no water coming out everywhere by trying everything, and then we do the test. Just fill out the beans. Been doing quite a lot of coffee already with this machine, so I've been filling up like over 4 of these already, and I haven't seen any leaking or anything like that on the machine. From here, from here, behind the mirror. Again, we'll do it once more. Hopefully we don't need to refill the coffee again. Perfect. Basically what happens is this water pushes water from the water tank. It pulls out water from the water tank, goes all the way to the thermal duct. From here it exits through these holes and gets into the ceramic valve. Then the ceramic valve chooses basically what you chose. You want some milk, water, or just using the coffee system. It will just reroute the water through one of these hoses, and that's basically the main job of the ceramic valve, just rerouting water flow through the machine. And as you can see, we already make a whole pitcher of coffee, and we haven't seen any leaks or anything like that, and it's safe to assume that it's not going to leak ever. So there you have it, Jura C6 working once again. So thank you for pairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.